this is my first video on YouTube, so if you still don't know me, my name is Jessie. My age is 8.5. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you what to do in quarantine. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do a split. Actually, I'm still learning, so let's learn it together. Before we start the split, we're gonna do stretching. So first, you stretch your arm first. Then you gotta go to the legs. This kind of this. Let's do the other leg now. Then to stretch your leg, you're just gonna do like this. Then go to the other side so you can do. So now I think that's all for the stretching, so let's get into this part. So basically, first you need to do the pigeon position like this. And straight your leg at the back and straight your body, and then just do it like this. Go up, then carefully go down, then there you go. You got the split. And then let's try the other legs. Actually, I'm still learning on this leg, so yeah, whatever. So first, pigeon poses. Right, do the right thing, right legs. Go this, just like that. Like that. Actually, it's not hard, but it's kind of hard to stretch my leg. So time for the middle split. Oh my god, I couldn't really do this too, but I'll try for this video. So, oh my god, this is actually so hard. So yeah, let's try again, guys. And there you go. Actually, sometimes people do it like this. But I couldn't do it, so yeah. I'm just gonna show you guys how to do pancakes. Lay it out on your stomach. Then just gonna open it and do this like this. Then, if you wanna learn to do a split with me, you can do it on YouTube or tag me via Instagram. So guys, if this video got into 100 likes, I'm gonna challenge my sister to do a split in another video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video to see my sister and I do a split. Thanks for watching. I'm so happy. So see you.